Hello, and today I'll guide you through Barsight's brewery inventory management features and show you how to sell beer to your retail customers, such as pubs and liquor stores, using the software. First thing we're looking at here is our brew planner. Here you'll see all the batches that we have planned and are in tanks and the dates. For example, here our 49th parallel beer shows a low stock alert of our American West Coast ale. So you'll know that we'll have to order some before we get brewing on that. Next, let's just go have a look at our packaged products and see what we have in stock. Currently, we've got a couple of the 49th Parallel IPA in cans, kegs, a wit beer in cans, and a honey lager in kegs. You can see here, and then the total value of the stock and the total cost per the stock. These numbers might be a bit off just because this is my test environment. We also have up here the batches that are in tanks ready to be packaged. Let's click on the Foggy Night Hazy IPA and let's go add some kegs. We'll do half barrel keg. Let's add 2 of them. This is the lot number that gets automatically generated. That includes the batch number, then the ID, as well as the sequence number. In this account, we're tracking kegs by the serial numbers. So this dialog box pops up and wants us to choose the actual keg serial numbers of what we are adding to the batch. It'll also take in the keg caps and the keg collars, and the costs of all of these items will be allocated to the batch and the packaging group. Let's go and click package items for ready to package. And if we head back to our packaged products list, we'll see down here our Foggy Night Hazy IPA half barrel kegs. 2 of them are in stock, ready for sale. Now let's go make sure that a customer is set up properly. If we go here to brewery customers, let's click on Big Bear Pub. And this is the customer profile page. We have customer notes and delivery notes, and these can show up in your order PDFs that you print out for special instructions on ordering and delivering to this customer. Over on the right side here, we have the API integrations available for payment collections. Let's look at the Paychex vault. There's 2 options here. We can update the card ourselves, or you can click the drop down and send a request, which will email the customer a link to the same page where they can update the credit card information. We'll click the link ourselves here, and this is the page that is displayed. Let's just enter in our name, enter in a credit card number, and that gets sent off and tokenized. Let's do the month, year, CVV, as well as a postal code. We click save, and this will send a quick test transaction. If everything's successful, the card will save, and then you'll get a message saying you can close this window. If we refresh here, we'll see that the credit card information has been saved, as well as the expiry date. When this card expires, you can go ahead and just click Update Card, or you can send another request to the customer. Now let's go and create an order. If we go to Brewery Orders, click New Order, select the pub from the list, and here we go. We're prompted to add a line item, and we'll click our Foggy Night Hazy IPA half barrel keg. Let's ship 1 of them, and the price is automatically filled in, $250 each. This is the serial number of the actual keg that we're giving to the customer, as well as the deposit, and the taxes brings us to $340. If we click Add Payment, we can go over to Paychex here, and what this window does is this sends a quick verification, making sure that the credit card is valid. And if we have this green box here, we can go ahead and click Send to Paychex, and we'll just want to confirm with you. There we go. And now that order is closed, and item has been taken out of stock, and the payment has been processed. We can go back here to the Foggy Night Hazy IPA, where we had 2 before. We now only have 1. If we click into it, we can even see the sold history, and that's the order that we just created right there. We also have many reports that you can generate and pull data from, such as your package volume, orders by customer, sales dollar figures, and so on, as well as a report of operations that is required for the US customers, your TTP report, which pulls production data, sales data, and compares the two. That is just a quick overview of some of the features that we have built into the Barsight Brewery module. It's been designed to be very flexible and adapt to your own brewing process. You can put in as much or as little data as you want to get the end result of what you're looking to get out of the system.